Language.
1. Listen and repeat. Pay attention to the ending ed of the verbs.
Reduced. Used. Copied. Received. Distributed. Welcomed. Developed. Influenced. Invented. Introduced. Provided. Downloaded.
2. Listen and repeat the sentences. Notice the verbs ending ed.
1. The library reduced the number of print newspapers and magazines that they used to subscribe to.
2. The graph compares the amount of information received over a 10-year period.
3. Have you downloaded the files related to our social media project, which I emailed you yesterday?
4. Paper was invented before the printing machine.
5. New electronic devices have been developed to cater to users' ever-changing needs.
6. Social networking has influenced young people's way of life.